Eastern Heroes is back. So this build, it went away a couple years ago, and it's back. Why? I don't know, because you've already got a martial arts section in a number of builds. Power, Freedom, Doctor Manhattan. I think Diggs has got one in Xenon, but this one you hear people saying that there's no Shaw Brothers or whatever martial art applications. And I've just been looking. Not Pluto, yeah, Pluto TV has a channel called Flicks of Fury. Tubi has some stuff as well. I just checked Netflix. Netflix doesn't have much. I typed Kung Fu in the search and it just comes with Kung Fu Panda. Prime has some stuff as well, but I'm not seeing any Shaw Brothers stuff. So this build has got Shaw Brothers, Golden Harvest. It's got Heroic Bloodshed. So that means you've got your Cho Yun Fat, you've got your Andy Lo, you've got Donnie Yen, Sammo Hung, Jackie Chan. You got and the Shaw Brothers guys. It was like Tai Long, David Chang, Jimmy. Is it Jimmy Woo? All those guys who did like the one-armed boxer, the one-armed swordsman. Because I sort of been brought up by kung fu films. I think a lot of us have, right? From my dad. So I think he was back in the day. It was like the one-armed swordsman or one-armed boxer, Iron Fist, and all that stuff. And I remember seeing Enter the Dragon on TV, and I was like, wow, when you see Bruce Lee. We had Chuck Norris who passed away last week. He was in Way of the Dragon. They got a Western hero section on here on this build, but you got Steven Seagal, Chuck Norris. You got who's the other guy? Scott Adkins, Gary Daniels, that guy Michael Joe White. You also got a Korean section, a Japanese section, anime. Who else? And you got the Indonesian section. Is his name Eco? The other guy called Taslim. Is it Joe Taslim? Who did films like The Raid. So I've not really been, even though I've got lots of DVDs, martial art DVDs, modern day action stuff, Chow Yun Fat killer stuff, the killer, hard boiled, etc. In the last 25 years, I don't think I've really been into it or following up what's going on. So in the last 6 months, there's been a couple of films that have been really sort of pushed to be really great, or they're so called to be great. You had a Sammo Hung film called what was it called? Trying to work out what's it called. Is it Twilight of the Warriors? I didn't see him do much fighting, and to be honest, I haven't even watched the end of it. But there's a new Jackie Chan film out called what's it called? It's called The Shadow's Edge. As you know, both Sammo Hung and Jackie Chan, they're like, I don't know, 70s, is it probably? But Jackie Chan, even though you can see him being stunt, doubled, but it is a good film to watch. The action from to see him actually fighting, and like I said, I've not been following him in the last 10 years really, so I'm not too sure. But I was really impressed with this film to see him. I was a Jackie Chan fan growing up. Police Story, Armor of God, Dragons Forever, Snake in the Eagle's Shadow, Snake in the Eagle's Shadow. Then he did Drunken Master. So you got Drunken Master Part 1, Drunken Master Part 2. Oh, also, this build has a villain section. So you got like Bolo, Wang Jiang Li. And Wang Jiang Li, as you guys know, he's like the foot doctor. He's been in a couple of films where he's like a silver fox. But this guy, if you see him walking towards you and you already know about him after seeing him when you was a kid, you just want to cross over the road, because this guy is like to me, he's a scary guy. He's a scary guy, but utmost respect for this guy. I don't know. I just in my element right now. I'm so happy to see this. And plus, I'm trying to get into Shaw Brothers, watching Shaw Brothers stuff. I've been watching like the Five Venoms, something about the Flag. I can't remember what it's called. Boxes Rebellion. So I'm trying to get back into to watching Shaw Brothers because that's one thing I missed out when I was younger. It was just like the Golden Harvest stuff that I saw, really. Like the police stories and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm rambling on too much. This is for martial art fans. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.